How to do Lee Chong Wei's Deceptive cross-court slice drop. What is deception? You may have heard this term before, but what does it actually mean to be deceptive in badminton? A deceptive shot can involve a misleading body movement or a racket movement, i.e. double action or delay, that causes the opponent to take the shuttle late and produce a weak return, or even better, give you an outright winner by them being in the wrong place on the court. Deceptive shots can wrong-foot an opponent, making them move in the wrong direction from where the shuttle is actually going. They cause confusion and make it difficult for your opponent to predict where on the court the shuttle will be hit into. Including a jump before contact creates more deception. Lee Chong Wei's slice drop. Deceptive cross-court slice drop. This shot is played on the even side of the court and in the rear court. The aim is to send the opponent the wrong way because he has followed the swing action. This requires 1. A very rapid arm action, and 2. A high level of control. You need to brush the shuttle. How to do it? The aim is to pretend you are going to hit a powerful smash down the line into your opponent's backhand. The sudden slowing down of the racket arm combined with the angled racket head causes the shuttle to go cross-court. This technique is quite easy for a beginner to grasp in a short space of time, but is very effective. You need to fake a powerful smash shot straight down the line, then turn it into a soft slice drop shot. 1. First of all, fake a smash shot using an aggressive body stance and posture. 2. Turn the racket angle to approximately 45 degrees as you reach impact with the shuttle. 3. Take some pace off the shuttle while brushing the shuttle with the strings, creating a soft, controlled drop shot in your opponent's forehand forecourt corner. Extra tips. Convince your opponent a powerful smash is coming. Every aspect of your preparation must look like a smash. 1. Move to the shuttle quickly and aggressively with intent. 2. Even add a high jump to sell the big smash to your opponent. And 3. Make your hitting action appear fast so that it looks more like a smash rather than the slowing down for a drop shot.